Hi, today we are going to be making slime. So this one is one that my friend gave me. Let me just open this. Okay, it's like all... There you go, just let me get this out. Oh man, this was like really sticky. I may need more activator, but my friend uses it with borax. But today I'm going to be showing you how to do it with no borax. Only 2 ingredients. So let me just put this one back, because clearly this one's too sticky. Let's go. Put this. Ah! There. No. Yeah. Can you just... There. Much better, I guess. And now, this is a new one I'm going to be making it with. This is something I just used minutes ago, and this is the 2 ingredient slime. It may not be as good, because I use Tide, but you can use any you want. So, the ingredients are just glue, not clear, because, well, like, if you want fluffy slime, then don't use, clear. Oh no, look, there's other slime in here. And then you want some detergent. I use Tide, but sure, whatever. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this aside. Yeah, this one's really tiny, so let's put that right there, right in the corner. Okay, let's see. So what you want to do is grab this, and you want to fill it up with your glue. I have a popsicle stick to mix, but I guess it's ruined, so I'll go get something else. Be right back. Oh, I found one. I can use this pencil that we never used before. So I got this pencil, and what you want to do is pour your glue in. Let's see. Oh my gosh, yes. So let me see something on my iPad. Oh, yes. Great job. Great. This is awesome. You know what? Why am I doing it this way? I can just open this lid. There we go. Lid opened. Know what you want to do. That's a bit too much, I guess. Okay, because I'm just making a tiny slime, not too big. And what you want to do is you just mix it up a bit. Mix up your glue. There. First ingredient, done. Last ingredient, detergent. Just going to put that much for now. I do not want too much. Now just start mixing. There we go. You might want to add a bit more if it's not working. I didn't put enough, so there. You want to grab this. Go ahead and mix it. If it gets if it's not sticky enough, just add more glue. This is the exact same way how I made this slime. 100%. Okay, so there we go. And it's fluffy slime, randomly. Don't judge me if you know why. I don't really use slime that much, so clearly this does not have enough activator. Okay. Ew, there's tide all over my hands. Better go wash them. Emily, want to mix it? No? Okay. Okay, I'm back. And this slime is awesome. You guys need this at home. Okay, let's see. If you can't make slime, I'm sorry, because this is my first time making slime, actually. For real, I've never made slime before. I just watched a bunch of YouTube videos like you are watching me now. Let's go ahead and mix that up. Okay, let's fast move this. Okay, you have it pretty much. Let's go back to mixing. Okay, looks like it's pretty much good. Okay, so let's just bring this onto the table. There we go. Now I will just start mixing it. Clearly, it is not ready. As you can see, it's way too droopy. So what you want to do is put it back. Oops. My iPad fell. Oh no, it's stuck. Oh, whatever, I'll go get some paper. Ah! Sorry, that was not good. I got slime into my cups of water and I was afraid my sister won't know and that she'll drink it, so yeah. There we go. We're just gonna let that sit there while we just look at this one. So if your finishing product looks like this, well, good for you. By the way, if you know me, please visit me. I'm still wearing my Queen of Heaven uniform. Okay. Oh, bit. Okay, there we go. Like, if the longer you leave it, the more it won't be like as not sticky like that. So, just gonna leave it right there. Let's see. Okay, let's go get some more activator. Pour it. Sorry, it's off camera. I just don't know why. There we go. Perfect. Not really, just mixing it up. We need to put some more activator. There. Try not to over-activate it, but I think I did. Come on, get off my pencil. This is my pencil. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's get the extras. Pop. I'm using my hands, I don't care. There we go. I'm just gonna go wash my hands one more time because I feel itchy. Blah. Back! Okay. Now, comment down below who thinks these look the same. Let's see. I just love this one. It's my #1 favorite. I'm bringing it to school tomorrow. And that's a promise. By the way, if you're watching from the future, don't forget me. That was from The Odd Ones Out. Go check out his videos, I guess, yeah. This one, I personally think it's better than the other one. Just because it's not as, not sticky. But yeah, there you go. Slime from me. Let's just play with this a lot so that it's not like... As you can see, this is not a fail like I expected it to. Because me and my sister, well, we tried to make slime with popsicles. Melted popsicles. So yeah, that did not turn out good. So we made another one, and that's where this baby came from. Oh no, it's all stuck on my hands. We need a tiny bit more activator. No worries. Just put it back in for another spin. Here we go. Going around for another spin in the container thing. There we go. Let's get some more. Come on, just a tiny bit. There we go. Start mixing this bad boy up. Who wants fast mode? No one? I do. Okay, so it turns out the slime was kind of too activated, but no worries. That's better. Because once you leave it on the table, it will actually be better. Okay. And there you go. How to make slime with 2 ingredients. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye.